Chicken steam roast recipe. Make cuts on the surface of the chicken to allow for better marination. For chicken brining, add a 1/4 cup of vinegar to a bowl. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Ensure everything is mixed together evenly. Add enough water to cover the chicken completely. Now, dip the chicken pieces into this mixture. Soak the chicken pieces in the mixture for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash the chicken thoroughly 4 to 5 times. Then fry the washed chicken pieces in oil. Keep the flame on high. Fry the chicken for just 5 minutes. Don't cook it completely. Let's make the marinade. Add 4 tablespoons of thick yogurt to a bowl. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of red chili. 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander. 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. 1 tablespoon of tikka masala. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add orange food coloring, it's optional. Mix everything together thoroughly. Coat the chicken pieces with the marinade. You can use your hands to coat the chicken. Let them rest for 1 hour. Take a steamer. Place aluminum foil over the steamer to prevent spices from falling through. Make holes in the foil. Fill the steamer with water. Add some cinnamon sticks, a cardamom pods, and cumin seeds. Also add lemon slices. Place the chicken on the steamer plate. Sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top. Place some lemon slices. Cover the chicken with foil to keep it dry while steaming. Cover and steam on high for 2 minutes, then switch to medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Chicken steam roast is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with friends and family.